In this video we are reviewing a keyboard and mouse, and it's a budget keyboard and mouse, and they cost round about £21. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check her out. Yeah, like I said, cost around about £21, something like that. And yeah, they're wireless. So we are going to be testing it, and hopefully they will be all right. Right, so this is it, keyboard and mouse, as you can see from there. Going to have a quick look around the box, nothing to see much, technical specifications and manufacturer's model number. So this is a CS3600. That's about it really. So let's have a look. Don't expect it to be fantastic because it's not going to be, not for that sort of money. I wouldn't have thought so anyway. But we're going to take a look at it, give it a full test, and see how we get on with it. So there's the mouse. I'll tell you what, I'll get everything out first. So that is everything you get in the box. So you get the instructions, you get a mouse, and a keyboard. Like I said, don't expect it to be anything fantastic, but looking at it, it doesn't look too bad. It's quite light, but not too light, so it falls out your hand. And the keys actually feel quite nice. Hopefully they'll work fine. It takes AA batteries. It takes AAA batteries, not AA. And looks like 2 of them. So I will need to get some of them in a second. Yeah. First impression, yeah, it looks okay. Like I said, I wasn't expecting it to be fantastic, but hopefully it's good enough. I thought, oh, that might take a battery as well. Yeah, again, oh, that takes a AA. That takes a bigger battery. Yes. Not ideal for me because I have quite big hands, so I need a big mouse normally. But I wanted to do a review on this, and yeah, we're going to give it a go. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a quick read the instructions. Hopefully they won't be too complicated, and we're going to give her a test. Right, I've had a quick read of the instructions, and I thought, well, where's the receiver then? It's in the mouse, isn't it? Let me just quickly show you. So undo that battery cover, yeah. This little baby here, the USB, that is it. So it's stored in the mouse, which is a good idea, by the way. I think it's a brilliant idea. So there's the receiver. All you have to do is plug that into your device that you want these two to work on, and it should just work straight away. So we'll be testing that right now. So first of all, I'm going to put the battery in. I'll turn it off for now. We'll turn it on in a minute. Let's get the cover on. Turn this baby over. And switch her on. So it's showing we have power, which is a good thing. Right then, let's plug her into a computer and see if she works. Right, mouse works fine, no issues. Let's get some text up, shall we? Rich text. Open them up. Oops, over there. And let's do a bit of typing. Oh, it works. Number lock. And it's very quiet as well. Caps lock. Lights up as well. I like the blue colour. See that? Yeah. The blue LED. It looks very nice actually. It does say it will go into sleep mode if not used for more than 8 minutes, which is very handy because, you know, you're not wasting battery. Scroll wheel, scroll wheel. Let's have a quick go at the scroll wheel, shall we? let's go YouTube. See what it's got on YouTube. So scroll wheel. Yeah, it works fine. Don't forget you can go into your Windows operating system or whatever one you're using, and you can adjust how fast or how slow you want the mouse to move. I mean, that's not too bad actually. That's quite reasonable. Right, I've been playing about with it for a few weeks now, and yeah, very pleased with it. For the amount of money it costs, I wasn't expecting it to be fantastic. It's quite flexible, as you could probably see. So try not to flex it too much because you might end up breaking it. It's ergonomically designed, and you have this little lump or ridge, whatever you want to call it, like that, to give it a tilt. So that is how you get you a tilt. You can't adjust the tilt, it's a fixed tilt, so it might not suit everyone. There's no wrist support neither. It is just a wireless keyboard, and it apparently it does up to about 30 to 33 foot distance. I have it sitting over there on that desk over there with the mouse, and by the way, it's quite a nice mouse as well. Quite pleased with that. It's a little bit small for my hands. Like I said earlier, I have quite big hands, but it does work very well, and it'd be ideal for sitting in the bedroom as well. If you're in bed or something and you've got a computer up there, you can just sit on the bed or in the bed, and as long as you've got something flat, you can use a mouse on it. Yeah, very nice. Well worth the amount of money it cost to buy this. I think it's £21, something like that. So yeah, well worth the money. And it is connected to that little tiny PC over there. So yeah, well worth it, and it just works. That right mouse, left mouse, right mouse, left mouse. So it definitely works, definitely gets my thumbs up. If you're looking for a cheap, no frills, wireless keyboard and mouse, this might be the baby for you. It works, does everything it's supposed to do, and yeah, like I said, it just sits over there. Actually, what I'll do, I'll quickly show you. So basically, I would have it sitting there, like so, and that there. Or, when my grandson comes around, he likes to play with things like that. He's left-handed, so he'll move the mouse over to the left-hand side. So with that, if you have any comments, please post them below, and I will read them. And if you have any questions, I will try and answer them for you. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It doesn't cost you any money, and it does help my channel to carry on growing. Thanks very much for watching. Yeah, baby.